Superb. So it's 8 AM on the 7th of October down at Ventnor East Cliffs on the Isle of Wight. So visible migration has kicked off nicely the last few days. Lots of serins. I did have one serin down in Ventnor Bay day before yesterday, I think that was. Came in off the sea, landed in some allotments there behind the Longshoremen's Museum. Anyway, back to today. So a few red poles, siskins, meadow pipits. Linnet numbers are building up now and lots of goldfinches going through. Probably siskins are the most frequent species in little groups. Chaffinch numbers are good this year as well, finally. They seem to, I don't know what their populations are doing, but they've been really scarce in recent years. So I've literally just come out. There's meadow pipits near enough, continuously flying through. It's quite blustery, so I don't want to go around the corner. Little gang of, what are these, goldfinches mainly? Superb. There's at least one siskin in with them, I can hear. Yeah, so they all seem to be flying west, mostly, apart from the meadow pipits, which are, oh, a little group of linnets, 3 linnets. Excellent. Had a woodlark a couple of days ago fly over, and a few skylarks. Oh, what's that? There's a warbler over there in the blackthorn. Let's see if I can work out what that is. Might have to turn you off in a second. See if it'll come out. Albor wagtails. What's this little group? Yeah, they're all many. It's one albor wagtail and I think 3 chaffinches. That's what they look like. They didn't really call them finches, but they look like chaffinches. I can't see this thing in here now. Oh, there's a small, is that a gold crest? Just flew in. Look cresty. Let's have a look. Chaffinch calling. That's a firecrest. Excellent. Just up in the euonymus thingy there. Just flying. You're not going to be able to see it's a firecrest, but that's what it is. Excellent. Don't know what that are. What's that up there? Two chaffinches. It's great to see chaffinches. So they've been really, really scarce. This carrion crow's just disturbed them a little bit. Just see him moving in the elder behind the blackthorn. God, it really is blowy. So it's still not that much of Ismig. I mean, oh, another albor wagtail. 2. Chaffinches calling. This is great. Anything could drop into this little area of coastal shrubs at this time of year. In with the oh, is that brambling? So there's chaffinches, meadow pipits, and I think one brambling. Pretty sure that was the first brambling of the autumn. God, it feels like the East Coast. Only better, obviously. Meadow pipit. Beep beep. Ah, oh, it's great, isn't it? What a fantastic time of year. Anyway, I'm going to go around the corner. It's going to be very windy, so I might switch this off, stop videoing, report back in a minute if there's anything around there. Yeah, it's a bit blustery, so I'm not going to record around here. It'd be a nightmare here, so back round here now. It was a bit blowy around the corner. Didn't stay there for very long. A few more alba wags and siskins through. No more sign of the firecrest or that other little warbler thing. That simply vanished. Nothing in the elders as far as I can see. One blackcap. There's a blue tit. What's up there? Oh, there's a warbler. Little chiffy, I think. Yeah, I think that's a chiff-chaff. Let's look properly through bins. Little gang of goldfinches. Yeah, so one chiff-chaff in here. That would be the warbler that I saw earlier. As ever, tell me if you can hear something that I've not heard. Not the most salubrious spot for birding, but certainly quite interesting. I do like it. I forgot to feed the crows. That's why they're hanging around waiting for their sausage roll, which they're about to get. And I'm going to get a coffee, I think. Right, Mr. Crow, here he comes. Right, is anything else going to go through? Just for the crows. Let's get blustery. Even up here in the sheltered bit. I can hear goldfinches. Where are they? Oh, sorry, linnets, I think. Stand here for a minute. That's better. Proper shelter. Not such a unobstructed view from here, that's the trouble. Meadow pipits, sparrows chirping away. Right, I'm going to go and get a coffee. Feels like that time.